The primary job of a leader is bringing about change or bringing about transformation. Transformation, as you all know, is big ticket progress. Progress is all about change. Transformation comes about because of transformation of the mindset of the people. We all have two instruments for progress. The first is the mind and the second is the mindset. To me, mind is the analytical engine that uses data to take appropriate decisions. On the other hand, mindset is the set of disparate conclusions that we have gathered from our experience over the years. Mind is what determines our aspirations, our confidence, our possibilities, and in short, our behavior.
It was thrilling. There were lots of sacrifices we had to make. There were lots of difficulties on the way. But then we have the mindset that says every obstacle is an opportunity. Every sacrifice is a joy. Every responsibility is a sacred calling. So as people who have understood those, I think while at one level it is a lot of hard work, it is some sacrifice and some deferred gratification.
Trust is the currency that reduces the cost of transactions in a society. So if you want to succeed, then you have to create trust with the society. If you don't create trust with the society, then there is no hope for that corporation to grow.